Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make fried fish. You can also bake it if you like baked fish. And to bake it, place a piece of parchment on baking tray and set marinated fish on it. Bake them for 35 minutes on 440 degree Fahrenheit. Don't preheat oven. Now we will marinate fish. First rub half cup of wheat flour on fish fillet. Cover it and keep it in fridge for 30 minutes. Then wash them. Your fish is ready to marinate. We will also freeze some fish pieces so you can enjoy yummy fried fish for up to a month inshallah. To marinate it we need fish fillet 1.5 pound, gram flour half cup, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, paprika half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, garam powder half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, juice of half lemon, salt 1 teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon, water I'm using 100 ml. You can add half teaspoon red chili powder if you like more spicy. Let's mix everything in a bowl. Add water and mix this marination. Now add it in the fish fillet. Coat every piece of fish. It will be a very yummy fish inshallah. It is ready to marinate. Cover it and keep it in fridge for 3 hours to marinate inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fish is marinated for 3 hours. We will freeze some pieces, and to freeze them, place a parchment paper on plates and set marinated fish on them. Keep them in freezer for overnight and they will become firm like this. Separate them carefully. Keep them in freezer bag to store in freezer again. You can also store this yummy fish for upcoming Ramadan inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will fry some pieces in extra virgin olive oil. Fry them on medium low flame for 5 minutes on each side and enjoy crispy fried fish with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, so crispy, tender and delicious fried fish is ready. Share recipe and save it for Ramadan inshallah. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.